Hi guys, good morning. So I want to show you how to oil change my 2008 BMW 535xi. So this is the tools that we need. This is the oil filter. So this oil filter has 16 floats on it, and this is our filter and our oil. So our oil for this car is required 6.5 liters. So I'm using this Castrol Edge synthetic oil, and it is very nice to have the ramps. So the ramps is, instead of using the jack, hydraulic jack, I'm just using this ramp, put in front of the car and then climb up. So let's do it. You have to make sure that the wheels are lined up and straight. This is 3.0 engine, L6 engine. It's super strong, very power engine. Rain plug, we have to use the 17 mm and the red ratchet, and then turn it counterclockwise. While the engine oil is draining underneath, so we have to open the oil filter cap using this. Put this one here and then open it counterclockwise. And you have to make sure that you have this to catch the oil piece of cloth, because this one it's gonna be dripping on the side, and if you don't have these clothes, it's gonna be hard for you to clean up after. You see, there's so much oil in here, so that's why it's really important to have your towel or a piece of clothes. And put this one here. And before that, we have to make sure that we are going to clean up all the dirty oil in here. And Look at that, how dirty is this? Usually for the BMW, mostly like they are doing the oil change once a year, depending on how many kilometers, depending how you use it, depending on how many kilometers. But this is almost a year. But look at this, how much dirty. Alright, so guys, before putting our oil filter, so we have to remove this. This is the o-ring, this is the oil seal. So we have to use anything like a flat screwdriver or anything sharp object. Just change that, and you have to change this little ring too here. So this is really important to change this every time you oil change, because this is serves as a oil sealer. You have to make sure that you wipe off all the oil, excess oil. I think clothes is better to wipe this oil, because it absorbs the oil better than the paper towel. Okay, and you open your new filter, this one, and here's the ring and the o-ring. Just make sure that this ring is on the groove. Check all around and it's all good, and put the small ring on the top. Here, super easy. And your filter, you just drop it here, and here. Use the hand tight first. Hand tight first, and then after that you can give a little bit snag with these tools, but not too much, because otherwise you're gonna be strip the head of your oil filter cover. That's it. So guys, this is the drain plug. You have to make sure that you have to put the new o-ring. That's it. And then you just have to put. Okay. Before we are putting our new oil, so we have to make sure that we have this funnel, and we have to open this oil engine cover. Oh. It's stuck. Sometimes it's get stuck like that. Give a little bit of cleanup. Just wipe it down. Make sure all the dirt and all old oil is being cleaned. It's always nice to make it clean all the time. All right, put the panel, and I have to put this new engine oil synthetic. You have to make sure that you have to check your owner's manual first, how many liters of oil you need depending on what engine do you have. Okay, I am using this synthetic titanium castor for my engine. This is very good one. Most of my friends, the oil change every 10,000 kilometers. Mine I used to change oil change every 8,000 kilometers. This is 5 liters, and I have to put another liter because this is 6.5. And get another half a liter. Not yet. Okay, so there's a marker here, half a liter. So now you know that you are putting 6.5 liters on your engine. Okay. And let's try to run the engine. Alright, it's all done. Oil change 535 2008 BMW. Very easy. Thank you.